Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about one topic, that is surface area and volume with connection of art integrated. Okay, so we'll discuss about art integrated also. Let's discuss first the three things. The first thing is cuboid. Yes, this is the cuboid. We know that in this one, it is the length, it is the breadth, and it is the height. If you want to discuss about the formula of the cuboid, formula means surface area and the volume. How to discuss? We know that this room is also a cuboid. Okay, it means this room is made by the 6 rectangles. Okay, we can say that this one face, this one face, this one, and this one. So for example, here is also same picture. But if you focus on this face, what we are there, one is breadth, one is height, and this opposite also same, one is breadth and opposite also height. So we have two breadth and height. Understood this thing or not? Same thing if we focus on this wall and this wall. This wall is what? One is length and one is height. So L into H plus 2 times we can say that 2L into H. Similarly, we can say that upper side also one face, down side also one face. But upper side is one is breadth, one is length, and same down side also. So we can say that 2LB. So sum of these all. So let's discuss the formula of the TSA. TSA means total surface area. Total surface area means we have to count that upper part and down part also of a cuboid of an object. Okay. So what is this? We can say that 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. If you take 2 common, what will remain? LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the surface area, total surface area of a cuboid. Same thing if you want to discuss about the volume. The volume. What is the volume? If upper part and base part is the same of a object, then we can use this formula. What? Base area into height. Base area into height for any cuboid, for any object. So what is the base area? This room is a cuboid. What is the base of this room? Length into breadth. So length into breadth and height is h. So volume of a cuboid is what? L into B into H. Similarly, we will discuss for the next topic, that is our cylinder. You know cylinder, how cylinder become? We know that if we have a one piece of paper means rectangle, if we overlap like that, we can get one cylinder. Means rectangle's area is equals to the area of cylinder. Okay, so we can say that CSA of cylinder, you know CSA means what? CSA means LSA and CSA both are same only. Means lateral surface area and curved surface area, both are same only. What is this? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Now maybe you are surprised that why this equals to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is what actually? Length into breadth. Now you see that if this is the length of a rectangle, when you fold it like that, what will happen? It becomes a circumference. It becomes a circumference of the base, and base is what? Circular face. So circumference is what actually? 2 pi r. And our breadth, this is the breadth of rectangle. This breadth will become what? Height of the cylinder. So we can say that 2 pi rh. So our CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi rh. Any doubt regarding this? No. Similarly, we'll talk about the volume of this thing. So what is the volume I told? I told if the upper part and down part is same, here is also same. Upper part and down part same exactly, means congruent. So we can use the formula what? Base area into height. Base area into height. What is the base area for this one? Circular base area is what? Pi r square. Pi r square, and height is what? H only. So we can say that a volume of a cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Understood this part? If you want to talk about the word next one, that is cone. You know how cone becomes? You know how cone becomes? Cone also have many things. If you want to discuss one more thing, I forgot that TSA of a cylinder. TSA of cylinder is what? TSA means what actually? We have to count upper part and down part. We have to count. So upper part is what actually? Circle. Down part is also what? Circle. So we have to add this into the 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH plus upper part circle. Circle is what? Pi r square. But two circles are there. So 2 pi r square. If you want to take common 2 pi r, what we will get? H plus r. Now we'll talk about the our next, that is called cone. You know how cone becomes? For example, this is our cone. This is our radius. This is our height. This is called slant height. Okay. First, we'll talk about the area of the means CSA of the cone. What is the CSA? You know how cone becomes actually? For example, we have one circle. We have one circle. Okay. In that circle, if we cut one sector, any sector actually, any angle sector, any central angle sector, doesn't matter. If we cut one sector and when we join both, we'll get a cone. Understood? We'll get a cone. For example, we also have a one cone. This is also a cone. Okay. And we, if we want to discuss one more thing about the cone, if we cut horizontally the cone, what we will get? One part of a cone and one different cone is there. Okay, this part of a cone is also known as frustum of a cone. Frustum is part of a cone only. Okay, but if we cut same as a cuboid, if we cut a cuboid, what we will get? Again we'll get one more cuboid. So no need to derive one more formula actually. Similarly, if you cut one cylinder, what we will get? One more cylinder will get. So no need to derive one formula. But in class 10th, if we'll discuss about the cone, we will get one more formula, that is frustum of a cone. Okay, so now derive this formula, cone. So we know that what is the area of circle actually? Pi r square. So actually we are getting some part of pi r square actually. That only area of cone. But we will not derive area of circle actually. So how to derive this one? Let's see. So for example, we have one sector. Okay, we'll divide our sector in the so many parts, means so many triangles we can divide. Okay, and we can see that we are getting so many triangles when we cut it more and more and more. So we can say that CSA of cone is equals to n times area of triangle. Yes or no? N times area of triangle. How many times we cut? That is the only area of triangle. So we can say that it is a radius only. It is a radius only, and it is what actually? To circumference. It is only circumference. But when we fold this, when we get one sector and we fold this, that this part will become what actually? Slant height. This part will become slant height, means L becomes. And when we fold this one, what will becomes? Again circumference only of a new circle. Circumference only of a new circles. So if you want to find the area of triangle is what actually? Half into base into height. Okay, so base is this one. Actually all base are changing now. So I can say this one is base 1, this is base 2, base 3, base 4, and so on. This is base n, for example. I can write. Understood? Same, this is what? Slant height, means L only. Understood? So I can say that half into B1 for area of triangle into L. Is it clear? Plus half into B2 into L. Similarly, what will be happen? Half into B3 into L, and so on, half into Bn into L. Are you understanding this one? Understanding? What thing I can take common here? Half into L can I take common here? So what will remain here? B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus so on Bn. Understand? And I told you B1 to Bn is what actually? Circumference of a new circle of the base part of a cone. So half into L into, this is what circumference. Circumference circle formula is what? So 2 pi r. So can I cut 2 and 2? What will remain? L into pi r. So can I write as a pi r L? So this is the CSA of a cone. If you want to talk about the TSA, what is the TSA? Total surface area. Means we have to count upper part and down part. Upper part of a cone is what? Point only. So point has no area, but down part is what? Circle again. So we can say that pi r L plus one circle area means pi r square. If you want to take common also, we can take pi r common. Remaining is L plus r. Understood this thing? So now I want to connect this all the things in our daily life, real life examples I can say, or add integrated. So I want to show you first thing. Our students make by the nets how these 3D shapes can become. For example, we have one pyramid shape. If you pull this one, we'll get one. What is this? Prism. Not prism. It's a prism. If you focus on this one, if you pull this one, what will get? One cylinder. Similarly, if you focus on this one, you'll get one little pyramid. Okay. Similarly, if you focus on this one, we'll get one cuboid. Similarly, if you do this one, we'll get one cube. Actually, we'll get one cube. So similarly, many of the students make also some portfolio. In the portfolio, they connected with the art integrated. I want to show you some of the portfolio. Let's see. Yes. What you made, please show me. Yes, sure. Okay. Anyone from here? What you made? Very good. Very good. Okay. What you have made? Very good. Okay. You? Okay. Yes, very good. Nice. Any other boys made something? Yes. Okay. Slender. Okay. Okay. So this like that. Okay. Okay. You know this side. Yes. Nice. Good. You also made. Next. Next. Nice. Okay. Nice. So I want to conclude one thing only by this saying that we can use our cylindrical shape as a many things, as a tank also, and as a beaker also we can use this. And similarly we can use our cone as a funnel flask also. This type also flask we can use that. And this one we are using so many times as a almirah, and many shapes are like that also. Our room is also like that, cuboid only. So thank you so much.